tongue. Muddy knees in summer grass, before I knew where I belonged. Past the hedge and over stile, we were wild and never late. Skidby held us in its hands, little feet on village days. Past the post office door, past the shop with sweets galore, and the half-moon lights for grown-ups. We were looking for more. Skidby days, Skidby days, pocket money, sugar haze. Skidby days, Skidby days, running home through summer heat. Skidby days, Skidby days, small as a spark, still it stays. Still it stays, still it stays. 2 pence clenched in a palm, to the village shop we'd go, pick and mix and ice lollies, red pop stains on an old t-shirt. When the sun burned through the lane, we'd laugh with sticky chins, one cold treat and a grin, like the world began again. And Mum would ask for fruit and veg, so we'd pedal up the road, basket rattling on the bars, feeling 10 feet tall. Skidby days, Skidby days, pocket money, sugar haze. Skidby days, Skidby days, running home through summer heat. Skidby days, Skidby days, small as a spark, still it stays. Still it stays, still it stays. We climbed the old bridge frame, where the rails forgot their song, stared through grass and rusted stone, at the ghost of steam trains gone. And the windmill stood like a watchman, turning slow above the rise, as the evening folded down, and the amber touched the sky. If I close my eyes now, I can hear the bike bell ring, see the shop door swing open, feel that pocket change in spring. The adults by the half-moon, the kids in the open air, and Skidby just a small dot that still lives everywhere. Skidby days, Skidby days, pocket money, sugar haze. Skidby days, Skidby days, running home through summer heat. Skidby days, Skidby days, small as a spark, still it stays. Still it stays, still it stays. Skidby days, windmill slow and sky so wide, that little village never died.